scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Hydrocarbons can be tricky, but we will solve this bond length puzzle in seconds. Let's look at why these 6 carbon bonds are all identical. First, notice that benzene exhibits resonance where pi electrons are delocalized across the entire ring. This means the double bonds are not fixed in one single spot between the carbon atoms. Because of this electron sharing, every carbon-carbon bond becomes identical in nature. They're not strictly single or double bonds, but rather a perfect hybrid that stays consistent throughout the molecule. Consequently, the measured bond length of 140 picometers falls right between a standard single and double bond, making option B the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and remember that resonance creates equal bond lengths in these rings.